All right, Kendu Inu holders or meme coin lovers or just straight degens, we've got a video for you guys. Welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you guys for rocking with us. Kendu Inu flew up from when we first talked about it nearly at a $1 million market cap all the way to 270 million. Now, as you can see from the chart, it had a pretty steep pullback, which is to be expected considering how fast it rose to prominence and how much it exploded in literally a week's time frame. Like these green candles right here on June 10th, June 11th, June 8th, June 7th, June 6th, June 5th. So literally from June 5th to June 10th, this thing went absolutely insane. Literally from a $50 million market cap to a $250 million market cap. It 5x'd in 5 or 6 days. Now, after that, it doesn't matter what the chart looks like, you're going to get some type of pullback. The market turned pretty red, the market got pretty brutal, and we got a steep decline, and people were freaking out on this falling knife. But I talked about this point right here. When the buyers and sellers decided to meet in the middle here for about a week time frame, I said, this is showing really a lot of strength right around this $100 million market cap range. And I said, there's a good chance Kendu could start to move up and maybe make a V-shaped recovery. Well, that is exactly what has happened and what has transpired here. The last 5 days have been green for Kendu. Ethereum ETFs have gone live. We're up 16, actually now 18% here on the last 24 hours, and we are back at a $155 million market cap. Now, some of the things I'm watching that are even more important than market cap movement is really what I want to focus on in this video. And I'll tell you guys, as an early investor into Kendu, obviously I'm extremely bullish. I've taken profits along the way. I've won this trade. I've cashed out a good chunk of change, but I've also left quite a bit in here, and I feel really good about it. Now, that's just my opinion. You have to do your own due diligence, your own research to see if this also is how you feel and how you want to play this particular crypto. But it is an Ethereum-based meme coin. It has a lot of ties to Shiba Inu. We know that Satoshi Kusama, who is the lead developer within the SHIB ecosystem, was following their Twitter account when they had like literally 400 or 500 people following it before it was even $1 million market cap. They had this developer following it, and it created this allure and this intrigue about this particular crypto, and that's why I decided to get in. And we still have that intrigue because we don't know exactly what type of relationship could or will be had with SHIB, its entire ecosystem, and Kendu. They're said to be building something interesting, potentially for Shibarium. But no matter what, the things you have to have in order to have success as a community token or meme coin, whatever you want to call it, the things you have to have, Kendu has. And I want to talk about those things because since its launch back in February of 2024, we have seen the holder base continually grow. 12,000 plus holders, closer to 13,000, very close to 13,000 actually right now, 150 away. We'll probably hit that in the next day or two. And the volume has been really high. The liquidity is solid. You can get in and out of trades, right? And the actual Twitter account has grown pretty nicely, but still in a point where there could be a lot more growth here. And there's not even 10,000 followers. But again, remember, I was here when there was like 400 or 500. So I've seen this community organically grow. And I think that is something big to watch in those first 4, 5, 6 months of a project. Do you see that organic growth? Do you see the community working for their bags? Both of these things are true, and the holder base is growing like crazy, and you have a developer that is out in the open that is speaking directly to its holders constantly, which I think is so important in this space because it's filled with shit. And Kendu, to me, has $1 billion market cap potential because of all of these boxes that it has checked. So sitting here at $153 million market cap, you know, I bought into some great cryptos at 100 million, considering we got into Pepe and Brett right around that same $100 million range. Kendu's not far off of that. And if you got lucky enough to pick it up at, 90 million on this big pullback like many people did, well, I think you're still in a really good spot. I mean, you're up money right now, even just where we are in the charts, but I think there's a lot more in store for Kendu as we get into this bull run. We're going to continue to monitor it. And if my mind changes, if I decide to get out of the project for whatever reason, I'll let you know. But right now, I am very high on this potential that Kendu Inu has in this bull cycle, built on Ethereum, tied into the SHIB ecosystem, really active in community, growing holder base, good volume. All of the boxes are checked for me, and I'm looking forward to seeing how this one will perform once we get back into that peak altcoin bull run type market. So with that being said, make sure you subscribe down below if you have not already. Don't forget to smash the like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.